So good afternoon everyone, myself Shashil Goyal and she is Sahana, and we both are student activity committee coordinators at BMSC IEEE student branch, and I gladly welcome you all to IEEE 3.0, and today I will tell you why should you join IEEE, what are the benefits of joining IEEE at BMSC. So first I would like to ask a question to you guys. What is IEEE? Have you heard about IEEE? Have you taken part in the events conducted by IEEE? Please, if you can raise your hands. So, if you haven't heard about IEEE, let me tell you what is IEEE. IEEE stands for Institute of Electrical and Electronics of Engineers, and I know it's a lot like electrical and electronics, but we also deal with software and hardware both. So you can get a mix of everything and grow yourself. So, what are the benefits of IEEE? Like joining IEEE at a global level, at BMS level, what are the benefits you will be getting from it? So you will get access of all the global competitions of the conferences and publications. As in college, you will get access to these resources and you can move forward from your peers from it. Secondly, you will get scholarships at IEEE at a global level stage. Third, you will get networks as we are in engineering college, so we'll be getting networks from the Industry Connect, and from getting Industry Connect network, we have an exclusive platform like IEEE Collaborate, where you can directly collaborate and network with all the industry people. We also have IEEE Spectrum, which is a magazine of IEEE, which gets you updated about all the events happening at IEEE. And for more further details, I would like to invite Sahana to shed a light on this.
Hello everyone, thank you Shafal. Thank you Shafal for giving the global perspective. Now let's come back to our campus and let's talk about what BMSC IEEE student branch does. Firstly, we are a community which will help you connect with like-minded peers, faculty, and experts who are already in the industry. Now, do you have any idea on how exactly we achieve all of this? Anyone? Okay, so firstly, we do this by providing you with numerous activities like technical events, non-technical events, projects, workshops, and so on. Now, to give you more details about all of this, let's start with few of our events that we have conducted this year. We have some of our flagship events, which are the main highlight of our clubs. Firstly, we have IEEE Extreme. IEEE Extreme is a 24-hour global level codeathon. It is conducted by IEEE every year in an international level. Now, participants code for 24 hours continuously to get exciting prizes. This year, we had around 100 participants from our college participating in this. We also have, but like it's not all just technical. We also have non-technical events like science of deduction, where you can be a detective for a day. You can solve murder mysteries and find out what the motive behind the murder is. Now, we have our upcoming event, and it is also a flagship event. We have conducted IEEE Week last year on November. We will also be conducting IEEE Week from 24th to 28th November this year. It's a 5-day long event, and we will be conducting multiple events in collaboration with all the chapters. We'll have technical events, non-technical events, fun events like science of deduction, which will all be happening throughout the week. We also have conducted other events this year like IEEE Extreme Sprint and Extreme 101. This was basically these were events to prepare participants for IEEE Extreme 19.0. So I know since a lot of you guys are just entered college, now a lot of them did not know what competitive coding was. So to help them prepare for it, we had Extreme 101, which was a 10-day boot camp to think, solve, and code like an engineer. Here, what we basically did was that we had throughout the 10 days, we provided the participants the basics of competitive coding, taught them what and all they need to know to participate in Extreme. But before Extreme, we also had Extreme Sprint in collaboration with IEEE Bangalore section, IEEE Madras section, and Geeks for Geeks, where the participants were given a test run for Extreme, which was an 8. So here, this was basically for 8 hours, and for both of these events, we had over 200 plus participants participating from all across the world. Now we also have, again coming back to the fun events, we have Excavate, where the participants solved a mystery of their missing father. and they solved proxies and clues and so on to find out what happened. Uh, we had a Bharat Shakti, which is an event for mostly networking. Here we had professionals from Indian Armed Forces, ISRO, and DRDO come right to our campus to talk about how sovereign AI and India's defense tech helps us. The participants also were able to interact with these experts after the event. We had around 150 plus participants during the event, so this was very successful. I'm pretty sure all of you participated in FaceShift 2025, right? Like, yeah. So, have any of you participated in any of the events we conducted during FaceShift? Okay, that's fine. I'll tell you about it. So, firstly, we had a young professionals meet, which was again a panel discussion where we talked about bridging the gap between academia and industry. So, again, participants got to interact with experts who are in the industry, talk about how exactly technology can be implemented and so on. We also had CodeSphere, which was a 24-hour global level codeathon, and dashboarding, which is transforming numbers into insights. Both of which the participants got prize pools as well as short internships at the companies we collaborated with. For CodeSphere, we collaborated with Geeks for Geeks, and for dashboarding, we collaborated with Altair and Cellstrat. I have spoken about a lot of events here. So as you can see from all of these events, we have events like codeathons, events that are panel discussions and puzzle solving adventures. So all of this, our main aim is to give you a place to connect and to help you find what you're truly passionate about. And as mentioned previously, BMSC IEEE has multiple chapters. So now we will be moving on to BMSC IEEE Computer Society, for which I'll invite Aditya to talk about.
Hello everyone, I'm Aditya and here to represent BMSC IEEE Computer Society. So we are one of the largest and most vibrant technical communities here on campus. So whether you are into AI, coding, web development, research, design, this is the place where you will find your people, projects, and your purpose. So let me tell you a little bit of what we do. Let's talk about our initiatives, which is the backbone of our club. First up, we have Wings. So Wings is, think of it as a launch pad where you get to explore the tech world. We have two tracks mainly. The first track is competitive programming, where you have to battle it out with logic and algorithms. And the second is web development, where you will learn from the basics to complex web applications. Up next, we also have CS Reach. This is a little bit close to our heart as it is an outreach program where we teach CS fundamentals to underprivileged students. So it's all about giving back to the community, and these are the photos. We also have IEEE CS Project Series. This is a unique opportunity where you get to collaborate with professors who will mentor you, and you get to publish a research paper in the end. So let us talk about our flagship events. Last year we had Machine Learning Week as our technical week. So it was an entire week dedicated to machine learning, and we saw over 500 plus participants participating in four remarkable events. The highlight of the week was ML Matrix, which was a 24-hour national level hackathon. We saw over 200 participants collaborating and trying to come up with cutting-edge solutions for the ML complexities across 3 different tracks. We also had Entrepreneurship Conclave, which was a blend of tech, innovation, and business, where aspiring innovators could meet industry professionals, network with them, pitch their idea, and stand a chance to win 30,000 rupees from the prize pool. We also had TechX, which was a flagship summit conducted, jointly hosted along with IEEE, Christ University. So we had 3 days worth of workshops, panel discussions, and networking sessions with industry mentors. So it was a very fun technical event. We also have Hackophagia, which is one of the central events in FaceShift. This year we had over 350 plus participants trying to come up with AI solutions for sustainable challenges. They also had a prize pool of 40,000 rupees. Simablock is one of our unique social events, which is a triathlon towards sustainability. So basically, the participants could participate in a cyclathon, a marathon, and a blogathon, and all of them spread awareness about the endangered flora in Bangalore. This year we had 80 participants who were willing to show up and make a difference, and we had a great time doing it. So this is not all about IEEE. IEEE Computer Society also sponsors trips for international conferences such as ICASP and CS Reach at Hyderabad and ICSY WLC in Gujarat this year and Barcelona next year. We also IEEE Computer Society also has a scholarship program called Richard E. Mervyn Scholarship. This is a program which recognizes student volunteers and rewards them with a grant of up to $1,000 US. So all of these incredible events have given us the global recognition. So across the 350 plus student chapters in the world, BMSC IEEE Computer Society is ranked as the #1 chapter. So what next? These are the upcoming events that we have. Open Source Week is a technical event that we are having this November. We have multiple events, and the highlight is going to be Repogenesis, which is a 24-hour hackathon. We also have Tech for Good Summit coming up right after, which is where technology will meet social impact, and you can participate in panel discussions, keynote talks, workshops, and a hackathon as well. So I hope this gives you an insight about what Computer Society is, and I hope you all can join to see what you bring to the table. Up next, we have an activity being conducted by IEEE Belset.
Hello everyone, I'm Dhanya from BMSC IEEE Press and Censors Council. So welcome to our fun-filled dumb charades. Get ready to test your acting skills, guessing powers, and even your telepathy. So you know the rules of the dumb charades, right? One of you will come up and act the word which we give. The other crowd should guess it out. And one who guesses it and acts it will get a goodie. Anyone who volunteers?
Guys, let's have some fun. It's an icebreaker session. And one of you come up
Anyone?
to the stage. Anyone. One of you have to come here. The entire crowd will be guessing. Come on, guys. Come
It's
on.
fine.
It's a fun.
It's a fun event.
Hey guys, we are this side, so I'll be directing the movie. Okay, so
3 words.
3 words.
Is it old, new or
New movie or old movie? Mid.
old?
Old.
Hindi and English.
Hindi, Bollywood. Hindi.
Third word.
First word. Hare.
Bhajan.
Bhajan, dance, kirtan.
Om.
Om
Shanti.
Shanti.
You got it.
Okay, from now let's make it a little more interesting. Okay, we got some chocolates for you guys, goodies. Everyone shouldn't answer. You have to raise your hands. The one who raises first will answer. Right? Okay. Next person.
Anyone?
Who wants to volunteer?
Come.
Come on, it's fine. Come on.
Pick someone.
Okay, we'll pick someone then.
Okay.
Colonel pick.
Who's gonna guess the movie?
Shouldn't answer first. Raise your hands. Okay.
Two words. Hindi. Old. Second word. First word.
South.
बोलना नहीं है.
Second word.
Plane.
Flight.
Helicopter.
Aeroplane.
Helicopter.
हवाई जहाज.
Airport.
Hindi.
Runway.
You can say like this something without telling any words.
Related to traveling only, okay? How?
बताते मूवी का नाम बोल दे भाई.
Car.
Train.
Train.
Railway.
Express.
Please, now see, none of you will get chocolates. Raise your hands first. Okay. Okay, next. Who's coming
Can I
next?
choose? Can I choose Buddha?
Yeah, okay, let's do that. Who wants to come next?
ऐसे चीन.
Three words. नहीं. First word. Hindi. Bollywood. Hollywood. English. Hollywood. Heart. Come on.
Oh.
You can act it out.
First word.
First half.
Rose.
C.
Row. Second half.
You तू पागल है.
Me. Rome.
Rome.
Is this the first word? Half. Second word.
First word.
First half.
Rome. Second half.
Rome. Romeo.
Romeo.
Juliet.
Next.
Who's coming next? You should pick.
You should pick any.
Pick someone. We'll do something now. You have to pick someone and act it for them, and only that person will guess. Okay.
Pick a person.
From
From others.
From others.
There are
Go
4
ahead.
people behind.
There and the other side.
White t-shirt.
The last guy.
Yeah.
Come on, stand up. No, stay.
You'll guess. He didn't be a movie, but this was a second.
If anyone else has an idea what it could be, then raise your hand. You can ask.
Baby.
Yeah.
Can we guess? Can we guess?
Yeah.
Paris and Infant.
It's not a movie. No, no.
It's a
A
series.
series.
What is
How-
song
how
name?
will it?
Album.
Okay, let's give another try. And then if it's too difficult, we really no, but they don't know what genre. it is.
Yeah. Try one more. If they
Try
don't
one
guess,
more
we'll
time and then we
do
tell
the
them.
What is it? At least describe the genre.
series. Kind of series. Kind of.
Series.
Kind of.
Old, new. Is it old? Old.
Something related to TV.
School, college, kid. Anna.
Say,
Wake up.
say, like,
नहीं है। क्या serial है?
kind of, kind of.
हिंदी है कि इंग्लिश है? हिंदी है कि pack up. Backpack.
Shinchan, Dora.
Doraemon.
Yes.
Shinchan.
Here
Dora
I
is
got
right.
it. Dora.
Yeah.
Okay, last one, guys. Who wants to come up?
Think well.
Let's make it interesting. No, let's have fun.
Come.
You will come? Come on.
He will choose, no?
Huh?
Choose
He will choose. Oh, you will choose.
Okay.
No, it's okay.
Okay,
Come,
can
come,
choose.
if you want to choose. They want me to choose it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, do one thing. Let him ask and you.
Get
Yeah,
your
yeah, yeah.
अरे पिंक बैग होता ना तो जल्दी हो जाता।
मेरे पैर में फंसाया।
अरे मूवी नहीं थी वो डोरा देख के कार्टून दे दिया।
आज तुम्हें डोरेमोन बहुत crazy लगा जिसका तो
नहीं का डोरा दिया।
ब्रो forget होता है ना वो हमेशा। अरे डोरेमोन था ही नहीं है। भाई डोरा नहीं कर सकता।
डोरा स्पोर्ट दिया।
Anyone?
anyone can but raise your hand.
Or who wanna
Raise your
guess? I
hand.
think she was gonna come.
She wanted to.
Yeah, let her guess.
Okay, let her guess. If someone guesses it before her, can answer.
So I can guess from here. Oh, three words. In vain. Old or new? Old. You. मैं तुम.
हम तुम्हारे हम
तुम.
साथ साथ।
मैं तुम तुम्हारे तुम्हारे हम तुम
मैं और
मैं तू
फर्स्ट वर्ड इज मैं।
मैं हम मैं तुम तुम
Second word. You. Second word is
तुम्हारा मैं तुम्हारी तुम्हारा
तेरा।
मैं तेरा हूँ
मैं तेरा हूँ।
मैं तेरा
मैं तेरा
हीरो
Correct. मैं तेरा हीरो।
Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Bhargavi.
And I'm Praganya. We are from BMSC IEEE PS and SC.
Now wait, before you think, PS stands for the university.
Yeah, no, it's not that. PS here stands for Power Energy Society and SC stands for Central Sound.
Basically, we are the tech geeks who love to play around with electricity without getting shocked. We try most of the time, not really. So before we dive into what we actually do, our student chapter is one of the top ranked globally.
IEEE PS supports innovation in sustainable energy and electronics. Basically, anything that keeps the planet alive while keeping your devices charged.
So if you have ever wondered how we power an entire city or our phones, well, that is what we do. We try to figure it out.
PS and SC mainly focuses on the areas like electrical cars, energy, electronics, robotics, and science. We give you a platform to actually learn these things and not just read about them. You get workshops, projects, and even networking opportunities with industry.
And just to let you know, we have been awarded the High Performing Student Run Chapter internationally for 3 years in a row. Now, why should you join us? Let me break it down. Networking, you get to talk to actual industry professionals, not just your lab partners who say, let's do it tomorrow. Hands-on workshops, you actually build sensors, circuits, and prototypes instead of just hearing about them. Access to knowledge, you get access to latest journals and not wonder what AI or IoT stands for in the middle of the seminar. Basically, you get smarter and have fun. Not a bad deal, right?
Now, let's talk about a big event, the stuff we actually get excited about. Starting with, we have PS Day. PS Day 2025 was a 3-day celebration with tons of collabs across the club department. It was full of creative, chaotic, and completely unforgettable events.
We also hosted the Student Congress where industry professionals talked about the future of sustainable energy.
And no, it was not just lectures and just listening to them. There was much more than that. It was fun, interactive sessions, networking, and a lot of other opportunities as well.
Then we have our legendary Hardware Hackathon, a 30-hour national level hackathon where you barely get sleep, but you end up with the coolest project.
Second, coming Sensors Enclave, our 24-hour hackathon, where IEEE Sensors Council Bangalore chapter, where you get hands-on with real hardware and make real cool projects as well.
Basically, coffee circuits a lot of chaos, guys. We have had workshops on sensors design, VLSI, embedded systems, IoT, analog design, basically all the tech buzzwords that you hear on LinkedIn, but you actually don't know what they are.
Yeah, but don't worry, it's not just all techie. We have done a lot of multiple events which are fun and non-technical over the past year. Just to name a few, we have Quest to Eldoria, Race to Podium, Energy Arena, Cookify, and Seven Friends, which were all interactive and ended up becoming crowd favorites.
Oh, and we also did a plantation drive with Adhamya Chetana, one of the Bangalore's biggest NGOs.
And now for you freshers, we have got a lineup of events super exciting. Starting off, we have from Sensors Enclave to our industrial visit, where you will learn how the real stuff works and not just sit in the classroom and wonder about them. There is something for each one of them. We have Sensors Week upcoming, and don't you miss up for anything. It's a week filled with series of workshops, webinars, lecture talks, and hackathons.
And if you don't join us, you are going to get bored for sure. So you can follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn at BMSC IEEE and you can wait there for our more upcoming events. And next, we'd like to invite Fels.
Hello everyone, I am Varshini.
I'm Samad.
We are the student activity coordinators of PELS and IES. Does anyone want to take a guess on what PELS and IES stands for? Just give it a try.
Power electronics.
Correct.
Yes, correct.
And IS?
Information.
Information science.
Industrial
It's
electronics.
in the
Yes. So what do we actually do in IEEE PELS and IES? In power electronics works on everything that makes power efficient, from EVs to solar systems to converters that make sure your phone doesn't explode while charging. Industrial electronics is where robots, automation, and Industry 4.0 magic happens. Together, we are the people who make the world move. We're not just a bunch of nerds. This year, we have hosted Bangalore chapter's AGM, and we also grabbed the highest membership award. And we also won Ideathon and PELS Congress, which was held in Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering. And few of our technical events are Orbit Square to start with. Codathons are hard and gentle, so to make it more interesting and harder, we got it infused with space themes. And Symbotics is another event. It was on robotic simulation, and Smart Grid with MATLAB was energetic and simulation. And we also had an in-distance visit to Bloom Energy. We also had another event called Getting Started with Embedded Systems. It was a workshop on ESP32 and IoT. Yellow Rigo Electronics was an outreach event which was very close to our hearts. We went to a government school here in Baswangudi. It was called Women's Peace League. We made custom-made handbooks. We designed it ourselves, and we taught them basic electronics and gave them component kits and introduced them to world of electronics. And yeah.
So you all know what phase shift is, right? It was a technical fest that you all witnessed right after you joined the college. So BMSC, IEEE, PELS and IES, we had two major events. One is called Beyond Maths, Lab and Robotics. That's a workshop. So that workshop was based on how robots work. It's not like we had a resource person who taught how robots build, and an additional thing and an exclusive thing was how robots navigate. That is where many people lack. So we had a workshop regarding that. The second one is called Operation Circuit Cipher. It was basically an escape room theme game where you had to be a detective come hacker, where you have to solve resistor codes and many small activities to save the city's power grid. These are some of the glimpses of IEEE, PELS and IES events. The first one is Beyond Maths. The second one is Operation Circuit Cipher, and that was Young Professional Meet that was in collab with IEEE. So we are one of our major events is also PELS and IES Week. This time the theme was Impulse, driven by power, defined by innovation. We hosted 17 different collaborative events with 17 to 20 different clubs. So we had around 500 to 550 plus participants taking part. We had seminars, codeathon, hackathon, whatnot. We had both technical and non-technical. Our major flagship event was Beyond Basics. It was Beyond Basics. Yeah, you can see these are some of the images of the collaborative events. So these are two of our flagship events. One is Beyond Basics. It's a workshop. It's a hands-on workshop on analog electronics where we had a resource person, and you had you get an opportunity to physically do circuits and build circuits. So this time we designed a circuit that was we had a half-wave rectifier. You know what half-wave rectifier is, right? So it's gonna just send DC. The second one was GeeksBiz. GeeksBiz was it's a non-technical event based on auction, and there was an auctioneer you were supposed to bid. So why join us? So if you are a tech enthusiast, if you are into electronics, if you are into anything basically, be it technical, non-technical, as I told, BMSC, IEEE, PELS and IES is open for all. So this is our team. You can see our execoms and we as staff members. Let me tell you my experience in PELS and IES. I was once a student sitting where you are right now in Audi 2 in last year's IEEE Edge. I was wondering what club to join and all. Turns out I was interested in PELS. All of my peers, all of my seniors, everyone, they were very friendly, close. So it was a club where I was heard and I was really passionate about.
And my experience in IEEE PELS, personally I'm from CS background. I was nowhere related to electronics. I didn't know much about electronics, but coming to PELS, I learned a lot about electronics. Even if if you know so much about electronics, you have stuff here for that, even here for that also. Even if you don't know anything, you always have the opportunity to learn here.
So you can join our crew. So be the part of our innovation community that is our future. That is our Instagram handle and this is our Instagram. Please follow to get more updates on our club.
And please reach out to us if you have any questions about IEEE, PELS and IES.
Hey guys, this is Sanyashta.
And I'm Ria from WIE.
I'm from IEEE Society. So now, after hearing about all our clubs, now let's go on with a short game.
Small game.
Okay.
It is
Which is called
Shout in Seconds.
Okay, you need
One-
to be quick. As a game.
Once the slide is on the screen, you should just raise the hand and shout the answer. And we'll be getting the goodies.
Okay.
And if you don't raise the hand and shout, well,
you know
yours.
what happens. Okay.
Let's
go,
start.
guys.
First is decode the movie.
Yeah.
Spider-Man.
Whoa. Great. Good one. Good one. Let's get ready. Oh,
First,
Harry Potter.
come again?
Harry Potter.
huh?
Harry Potter.
Yeah. Nice.
Wait. Do this. From the audience. Not from the...
No, he's not.
Hey, he's not.
Oh.
Audience.
Give chance to the audience.
Give a chance to the audience. First.
Think.
Chocolate. Raise your hands. Raise your hands.
He already told it, right?
Give it to
Avatar.
Huh?
Avatar.
Okay. Okay. Next round is let's abbreviate. Okay, wait. There is a twist. Here you have to abbreviate two things. One in fun way, another one real meaning. Okay?
I mean, you can give one as well.
One answer.
Global positioning system.
Okay. The fun
Try
one.
something fun out of it. You know?
Okay, you can tell anything. What comes in your
There's nothing fun in this GPS, right? Okay, let's see. Get something fun.
Okay.
Okay, you got this game right. You can give a random comedy answer and also the right one.
The right one.
Yeah. Next one.
Right. For your
Huh?
information.
Okay. The fun one we need.
Think about it. Something fun.
Something fun. Yeah, you can tell it aloud. Yeah, tell it loud.
Can we use slangs?
Huh?
Can we use slangs? Like,
Yeah.
Good. It was a bad word, I'm sorry.
Okay. Let's forget your ice cream. Okay, next one. Okay.
We don't want actual answers. We want the fun one.
Think out of the box. Don't go to other boxes. But you have to think out of the box. No funny answers.
Let them tell.
Why is it bad?
Why is fun important?
Okay. Is there any other answer?
Any other answers? Any other answers?
Yeah.
Pradanya.
Okay, Anil sir has some answer. Yeah. Huh?
Water insurance for India. I don't know.
Yeah.
Water insurance. Okay.
Why
Why is food important?
Get the
Get the name as you are already in need. So. I think that is so interesting. Yeah.
Cheat upon the
Yeah.
Chill guys.
Okay, it's Gen Z time as you people all are like mostly Gen Z. Obviously. Yeah. This is the description and you should guess the word.
Feeling of missing out. Already sure.
I mean, what is the word?
FOMO.
Say.
Achha, इसका
Okay, get this one. What's this? Yeah, alright. But still, what's the answer? If you
Okay. Let's change something in this. Okay, here you're getting the words right.
Yeah.
Then you should tell a situation where
Where
you
you
feel
use
that
that
word. Where you feel or
Yeah,
where you use
those
that
three
word.
words. One
FOMO.
winner and one each one word.
Okay.
FOMO and Riz and Lulu. One
give one example for one word. Yeah.
FOMO if you are missing the scene.
Oh, thank you. Okay, Riz. Riz, come on, Riz. Riz, guys. Riz. You guys know the video. Yeah, come on. When you want to impress. Use Riz, na? Nice.
Delulu. We want so many answers, guys. There are so many people. Tell.
No Korean drama fans are what they live in Delulu, right? No?
Maybe if we have the confidence that we crack best placement without skills. Just
Correct.
Yeah.
Yes, that's a Delulu. Okay.
Any other answers?
Me after CI.
Huh?
What? Coming after CI.
Television word.
Starting the JEE prep.
Oh,
Monday before CI.
right. That you cracked the whole syllabus before CI. That's Delulu. Okay, now riddles. Okay, guys. I have keys but no doors. I can open your mind but not your house. What am I?
AI.
AI. Good guess, but not right. Okay.
No? Huh?
Keyboard.
Wow.
Right.
Right answer.
Right answer. Okay. Huh?
Okay, next one.
I'm full of bytes but not
Storage. Storage.
and yeah. Right one. Yeah. Okay. I connect with people but no emotions.
Why you are
Internet.
Oh.
That's it.
That's right.
Yeah.
Internet.
Okay. Seems like you guys have stolen so many chocolates from us from the CA. Okay, next we are going to speak about our other two chapters, which is IPP, SSID and IPP-WI.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. I'm Anant Desai, and this is Sai Yujita, as you heard from the previous game. We are the student activity coordinators at BMSC, IEEE, SSIT. So, as you guys can see, what does SSIT stands for? It stands for Society on Social Implications of Technology. Here at SSIT, we not only care about making new tech, we also dive deep into the sustainable aspects in it, the sustainable, and we focus on making tech more conservative and having a good impact on the society and reducing the negative impacts on the environment. We at a society can find a great network and a great community of like-minded people who have experience and industry knowledge about creating conservative and sustainable tech. Now let's run through our flagship events and other events that we have conducted so far.
Our flagship event is Asura vs. Asura, where teams raced against time were unveiling the quest for Dharma and Adharma of mythology. And at Minimania, there were many mini games which collaboratively formed a tech and also a fun event, which tested your skills and speed.
Next up, we had Arena Rush, where participants crossed a maze while being blindfolded. This tested trust and coordination between the teammates. We had Eco Fiesta, which was an ideathon where participants pitched their ideas to create more sustainable tech.
At quantum computing, Mr. Anand H. Ananda had addressed us with how to use cloud computing and also quantum computing. At Feminine Code, this was held for the WIE week, where Dr. Manasa addressed us how to focus more on women health and wellness.
Next up, on the occasion of Phase Shift, we had a couple of fun events and a technical event as well, one of which was Pokeverse. This was a fun Pokemon themed event, a gamified event, when participants collected Pokemons, answered puzzles based on technology as well as Pokemons, and finally also battled Team Rocket to save the world. Sustain a Town, it was a Clash of Clans inspired game wherein participants built a miniature town with physical objects that were provided to them.
Greenwood Ideathon, where they pitched ideas to make tech more sustainable and more towards green. And the power of future with GAN. GAN was basically about gallium nitride technology, which is booming right now, to have more info about it.
We had our super hit event, which was Astronautica, featuring two of the most renowned ISRO scientists who shared their insights about the mysteries of space and space technology, and fueled the curiosity of the participants.
Yeah, please do follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn to connect with us. Our Instagram handle is at BMSC_SSIT. Come in, be the change. And now we have Divya from WIE to represent the chapter.
Hello everybody, I am Divya from BMSC IEEE WIE. IEEE WIE is a global network that brings together engineers and scientists who believe in equality and empowerment. Our chapter aims to encourage students to explore research, gain hands-on skills, and grow professionally. We organize all sorts of events, workshops, technical talks, and seminars. Being a part of WA means you can connect with professionals, apply for scholarships, get travel grants, and even get featured in our magazine or newsletter. We've got many exciting plans, including our very own WI week filled with new events and our flagship event Nexus, which is a big technical summit where professionals from different fields come together to share their knowledge and insights. This Nexus is going to be held on November 6th and 7th, where we also collaborate with various colleges and working professionals from related fields. Our events in the previous year Women's Week was She Leads was a workshop which was organized to promote leadership qualities and soft skills in young participants. And then Orbiter, which was a collaborative event with Upagraha from BMSC and a talk organized by ISRO resource person. We also had Trivia Arena, Women in Power, and Swaraksha. Swaraksha was a self-defense workshop hosted in collaboration with Rotaract. This year's Phase Shift, we had two events that were lined up. Dataverse was a 8-hour datathon, which was held on account of Phase Shift, and participants solved data sets one after the other and won a prize pool worth of 5K. And Control Alt Repurpose, since the theme of Phase Shift was sustainability, here participants previously used electronics and made a model which was designed by them on spot. And these were some of the other events which we conducted recently. Pixel Puzzle was a fun non-technical event, and Career Craft, basically it told how to secure an internship and how to make your CV and resume look more attractive. And Cervicare, it raised awareness on cervical cancer. And just to clear up, WIE isn't only for women. I know it was women in engineering, but we happily welcome everyone. And don't worry, we won't make you solve equations in pink notebook or anything. So everybody is part of the team. Thank you. And do follow us on Instagram and LinkedIn.
Hello all, my name is Sushant and I'm the joint treasurer of BMSC IEEE student branch. Well, as a student, what do you think is important for you guys? Can any of you guys tell me? As a student, what do you think is the most important? Anyone? Yes.
Maybe the memories you make with our friends.
Great.
Attendance.
Right? Sorry?
Exposure.
Okay. Next.
Networking.
Why am I not hearing the most important word? Okay, cool.
Placement.
Well, what do you think will make you get placed very high? You know, tell me like how different you need to be when you want to get placed high. Anyone? Sorry.
Highly skilled.
Great.
Good communication skills.
Cool. Next.
Projects.
Sorry.
Projects.
Great. Well, we have got you all covered up. For now, as being a student, you need to cope up with the latest trends of industries, right? Well, so we have a special platform for you guys called IEEE Collaborative, where you can network with professionals all over the world. And since you are a student and you need support from us, right? So we also provide special scholarships and grants for you guys as well. Now, many of you guys might be interested in research and you want to publish a research paper. Well, we have even publications for you as well. You might have heard different programs from one of our chapters who will publish the research papers. Well, if you see outside, that's very expensive and that's not easy also. And we provide mentoring for that as well. Well, how many of you are interested in starting their own company and entrepreneurship and stuff? Cool. Nice. Great. Well, we even provide support for that as well. And we have various entrepreneurship conclaves. You might have heard again till now, whatever you have heard. That's great. Well, what else do you think expect from IEEE? Anyone? Of course, networking and meeting new industrial, keep coping up with industry insights. Well, now let's go ahead and how to be a part of a member of IEEE. So for now, we have you can see the slide, right? Now first comes the base membership. You might know that we have five chapters under BMSC IEEE, right? Now, if you purchase the base membership for UG students, it is 1655. You get Computer Society, that is Women Engineering, Census Council, and exclusive IEEE merchandise as well. And that's not it yet. We also have Power Energy Society, which is of ₹55. Our Electronic Society and Industrial Electronic Society, that is ₹380, and Society on Social Implications of Technology, that is ₹215. Well, guys, if you think that it is domain restricted, it's not. If you are a student from computer science department, you can still choose other societies as well. That is, if you are interested in electronics, you can go ahead with BELS or PES. And if you are interested in contributing towards the society or something like that, you can go to WIE or you can go to SSIT. Well, it's totally your wish. You can choose any number of chapters needed for your based on your domains and interests. And of course, we have membership for postgraduate students as well. As you can see the price listings over here. Now, for your accessibility, we have both online payments and offline payments as well. So when you're doing online payments, make sure you take a screenshot of the transaction ID, the date and the time clearly visible, and also enter the transaction ID in the forms very clearly. And if you're doing offline payments, make sure you do it at the registration desk, which is right in front of the college. And once you're verified at the registration desk, then only your membership is confirmed. Okay? And guys, go ahead, scan this QR code and be a part of IEEE. And just for your information, our membership drive will be starting from now to 10th of November. And once the 10th of November, 11:59 p.m. Post that, we are not going to accept any registrations. please connect us to all the social media handles. And on behalf of the entire IEEE organizing committee, I thank you all for sparing your time and attending this orientation. And because of you guys, this has been a successful orientation. And we'll be waiting for you to be a part of IEEE.